Good morning, friends. This is the Chapter 7 test recording. Okay, go ahead and pause right now. Make sure your name's at the top. Feel free to pause and rewind as many times as you need, okay? Number 1, Marta pays $1.80 for a snack. You need to fill in the bubble next to all the ways that show you $1.80. One $1 bill, 2 quarters, 3 dimes. One $1 bill, 3 quarters and 1 nickel, 5 quarters and 3 dimes, 7 quarters and 1 nickel. If you're having trouble adding that up, try to draw the pictures out to the sides of the number of coins and how much they're worth. Number 2, the clock shows what time Sarah starts getting ready for bed. Write down the time, so I would see the hour, the colon, and then how many minutes, and then you need to tell me if she's getting ready for bed. Is that AM or PM? Circle 1. Tell me how you knew whether it was AM or PM. Number 3. Does the group of coins have a total value of 75 cents? Yes or no? 3 quarters. Yes, no. 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 3 nickels. Yes, no. 6 dimes, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. Yes, no. 10 nickels and 25 pennies. Yes, no. Number 4, Antone gave Fran these coins. Antone says that he gave Fran $1. Is Antone correct? Explain. So you would either need to tell me that Antone did give Fran $1 or Antone did not give Antone $1, and tell me how you know. Number 5, write the time that's shown on this clock. Hour, minutes. Number 6, what time is shown on the clock? Fill in the bubbles next to all the ways to write or say the time. 3:45, 9:15, 15 minutes after 9, 9:30. Number 7, James paid for a drink with this money. Circle the amount to complete this sentence. James paid a total of $1.41, $1.46, $1.61 for the drink. It's the total amount that you count up here. Number 8, Hannah gave her sister these coins. Write the value of the coins and explain how you found the total value. Number 9, write the times the clocks show. So hour and minute here, the hour and the minute here, hour and the minute here. Number 10, Kim has 60 cents. Circle the coins to show 60 cents. Number 11, Alfredo buys a baseball card for 65 cents. Draw and label coins to show a total value of 65 cents. When you're done, you may hand it in.